Hey everyone! Welcome to the PDNob channel. Need a professional presentation like this? In just a few minutes, Gemini and Canva can create it from scratch, including the content, slide design, and suggested visuals. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, and I'll also share a reusable prompt template that works for almost any presentation. Let's get started. First, open Gemini. Gemini can generate the entire structure of your presentation. Click the plus button in the chat box, then select Canva. Canva automatically turns the content into professionally designed slides. A great prompt is the key to creating a professional presentation in minutes. I've included a reusable prompt template in the description. Just fill in a few details, and Gemini does the rest. Subscribe and grab the prompt template below. For this demo, I'll create a project proposal presentation. The prompt includes your presentation topic, the number of slides, and instructions to generate a clear structure with concise bullet points and a logical flow. If you're not sure what to write for some sections, you can even ask Gemini to help complete the template for you. Once everything is ready, simply send the prompt. In just a few minutes, Gemini creates a complete presentation from scratch. As you can see, the presentation already has a clear structure, professional design, and polished layouts. In most cases, it's already about 90% complete. If you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to export it as a PDF. If you'd like to make changes, click Export to Slides, then open the presentation. From there, you can easily customize the slides by changing the theme, replacing images, updating colors, editing the text, or adding your own branding. Once you're finished, click File, then Download, and export the presentation in the format you need, such as PowerPoint, PDF, or other supported formats. And that's it! That's how you can go from a blank page to a professional presentation in just a few minutes using Gemini and Canva. Whether you're creating a business proposal, a school project, or a marketing presentation, this workflow helps you save hours while creating polished, presentation-ready slides. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.